New exploration boosts Titan's viability. Scientists have discovered a key element in Titan's moon by discovering a key element in Saturn. New scientific discoveries show that Saturn's moon has a key chemical element that enhances Titan's viability. Astronomers have recently discovered a new molecule in Titan's atmosphere that could play an important role in the formation of life cells. This means that Titan may have supported cell life, and that this form of life may also exist on the surface of the moon. Scientists have long suspected the existence of a suspicious chemical called vinyl cyanide on the moon, but now with the discovery of this key element, the possibility of life on Titan has become even stronger. The Cassini space probe was launched jointly by NASA and the European Space Agency in 1997 to explore Saturn and its moons. From the very beginning of this mission in the atmosphere of Titan, the initial speculations of scientists about the existence of this key element began. So far, no exact measurements have been made of the chemical. Now a team of scientists using the Atacama Large Millimeter Array Radio project at the Chilean Observatory have discovered large amounts of vinyl cyanide in the moon's atmosphere. On Earth, the outermost layer of cells is called the membrane, which is made up of fat molecules called lipids. But conditions on Titan are very different, and lipids cannot form in its space. Because lipids need liquid water to form, on the other hand, the surface temperature of this moon is around -180 degrees Celsius. Of course, it should be noted that the lakes on Titan are rich in liquid methane. Because of this, scientists believe that liquid methane may also be able to form other forms of life. In this regard, scientists using a computer simulation to predict the compositions that make possible the formation of cell membranes in the cold lakes of Titan. As a result of these experiments, scientists have found that vinyl cyanide is the best possible candidate for such conditions. Titan is one of the best candidates in the solar system to host extraterrestrial life. Saturn's moon, in addition to having stunning lakes, has a very thick atmosphere that is mainly composed of nitrogen and other chemical compounds that are very similar to its properties on Earth. The discovery of vinyl cyanide is a very logical reason to continue the search on the surface of the moon. The author of the research in question, Martin Cordiner, says, the new discovery was made by the ALMA radio-sensitive array of 66 unique telescopes in the Atacama Desert. The observatory works by detecting extremely cold gases in space and measuring their radio waves. In Titan's atmosphere, different gas molecules are constantly circulating and have different energy levels. Whenever a molecule drops from a high energy level to a lower value, it releases a radio wave that telescopes will be able to detect. It should also be noted that different types of molecules produce different waves. Using ALMA radio telescopes, scientists were able to measure the exact amount of vinyl cyanide in Titan's atmosphere. The researchers were able to confirm the existence of this compound in the atmosphere of Titan's moon. But scientists speculate that vinyl cyanide may also be found beneath the moon's lakes. Since the vapor cycle of methane on the moon's surface is just like what happens on Earth, it is likely that the vinyl cyanide compound will always be present in this cycle. In fact, the precipitation process on Titan is such that vinyl cyanide travels from the atmosphere to the lakes and deep into them, producing cell membranes. Therefore, scientists potentially predict that there is more life on Titan than ever before, based on recent findings.